Welcome to Quick Bite Studio, where we bring you quick, tasty, and easy recipes for everyone. Today, we're making one of the most viral and irresistible meals online, Air Fryer Salmon Bites. They're crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and ready in just 10 minutes. Let's get started. First, prepare your salmon. Use skinless salmon fillets and cut them into small bite-sized cubes. Make sure the pieces are even in size so they cook evenly in the air fryer. Place the cubes into a mixing bowl. Next, drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil over the salmon. This helps the seasoning stick and gives the bites a golden finish. Now add your seasonings. Half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of salt. If you like a little heat, add some chili flakes. Gently mix everything until the salmon is fully coated. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This helps the salmon cook faster and stay crispy on the outside. Once heated, place the salmon cubes in a single layer inside the air fryer basket. Do not overcrowd them. Spacing allows the air to circulate and helps the bites become perfectly crispy. Cook for 7 minutes, then open the air fryer and shake the basket. This ensures even cooking on all sides. Cook for another 3 minutes or until the salmon is golden and tender. Once done, remove them gently. Salmon is soft when hot, so use a spatula. Finish with a drizzle of honey, lemon juice, or a creamy sauce, depending on the flavor you prefer. Serve warm and enjoy your crispy, juicy salmon bites. A perfect quick meal, snack, or high-protein option for busy days. For more quick and tasty air fryer recipes, subscribe to Quick Bite Studio and turn on notifications so you never miss a new recipe. Ingredients list: 1 pound salmon fillet, skinless, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 or 2 teaspoon paprika, 1 or 2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 or 4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 or 4 teaspoon salt. Optional: chili flakes or lemon juice. Step-by-step guide. Cut salmon into equal bite-sized cubes. Add cubes to a mixing bowl. Add olive oil and all seasonings. Preheat air fryer to 400 degrees, 200 degrees C. Arrange salmon in a single layer. Cook 7 minutes, shake basket, cook 3 minutes more. Remove gently with spatula. Serve with lemon, honey, or dipping sauce. Thanks for watching Quick Bite Studio. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our daily quick and tasty air fryer recipes. Click on any video on the screen to continue cooking smarter and eating better.